Understanding the phrase, bushed. Hello everyone, in today's lesson, we'll be diving deep into the meaning of a very interesting English phrase, bushed. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also know how to use it in everyday conversation. The word, bush, in English typically refers to a shrub or a small tree. It's something you'd find in gardens, forests, or even just by the roadside. However, when someone says they're bushed, they aren't talking about being turned into a plant. In slang terms, when someone says they are bushed, they are expressing that they are very tired or exhausted. It's a way of saying that they've run out of energy or simply can't go on anymore, usually due to a lot of work or some intense activity. For example, after a long day of hiking, one might say, "Wow, that was a great hike, but I'm totally bushed." Here, bushed is used to convey just how tired the person is after the activity. While the exact origin is a bit murky, one theory suggests that bushed relates to early pioneers and settlers in North America. After a long day of traveling or working, they might have to sleep outdoors, possibly under a bush. So being bushed would mean they're worn out to the point of needing rest, much like these pioneers. Now that you understand the meaning, here are a few examples to show you how you can use bushed in everyday sentences. 1. I've been working on this project for hours. I'm bushed. 2. He looked so bushed after the marathon. I hope he gets some rest. 3. I thought I could stay up late, but I'm too bushed. I'm heading to bed. Remember, it's a casual and informal phrase, so you'd typically use it with friends or in relaxed settings. And there you have it. Now, you're well equipped to use the phrase bushed confidently in your conversations. Always remember that language is colorful and full of expressions that might not make sense at first glance. Keep learning, and until next time, I hope you don't get too bushed studying English.